Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the error sending code double check your phone number error in Claude AI 2026. This error usually appears when Claude tries to send you a verification code, but it fails if you're stuck here. Don't panic. This is one of the most common Claude sign up and login problems in 2026. As you can see on my screen, this is the error you might be encountering. It says error sending code double check your phone number in the login page. So the first thing you want to do is to check your phone number format. Now you're going to make sure your correct country code, no space or symbol, and no loading or leading zeros. You're going to check them here. You're going to enter the correct country. You're going to choose from this drop-down menu by clicking on this arrow. Then you're going to choose the right country and make sure to not use any spaces or symbols and no leading zeros. The second thing to do is wait and retry. Your Claude may temporarily block repeated requests, so you're just gonna wait 5 to 10 minutes before trying again. And also make sure to disable VPNs. VPNs often block SMS verification, so you're gonna turn VPN and retry sending the code. Also try another network. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're using your phone, or if you're using a computer, you can switch between Wi-Fi and Ethernet and choose the network that is more stable and faster. Some carriers block automated SMS messages. And also, you can use email login instead. Now, if available, you're going to choose the email or account-based login instead of a phone verification. And I'm going to show you here by opening a private navigation like this. And as you can see, this is the login page. You're going to enter the verification here, and you're going to enter the email here. And then they're going to send you the email verification. Now, this verification error is annoying, but it's usually caused by formatting, network, or carrier issues. Once corrected, Claude should send the code without any problems, and you'll be logged in within minutes. And that's it. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.